Hey everyone, check out the Reginary 4-pack LED strip lights designed for scooters and skateboards with vibrant RGB colors. These bright LED strips feature multiple lighting modes including single color, flashing, and multi-color changes for endless fun. Made from flexible, waterproof material, they are safe to use even on rainy days and resist wear and heat. Powered by batteries with an included box, installation is quick and easy using adhesive backing and fixing straps. Perfect for scooters, bikes, skateboards, and more, they also work great for parties and DIY decorations. The soft strips bend easily to fit any surface while providing stable, glare-free lighting. Enhance your night rides with improved visibility and stylish colorful effects for added safety and fun. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.